Good morning. Welcome to the first of its type for the Taxi First passenger app training video. In this video, it's quite simple. I will show you how to add a via into your booking. A lot of customers seem to write it in the notes, but for an estimated price, and if you want to put a debit or credit card onto your app, that this would be recommended. So it's very simple. First you want to do is tap where are we going. It will highlight where it's guessing you are. If it's wrong, you can select it, delete it, type it back in with the correct address, and when you select it, it will automatically store it in the front section. Because we're adding a via, on the right hand side of that you'll see a little plus button. If you push that one, it'll add the via in for you to enter in your destination. So the via will select search for via, and we'll type in, on this occasion, Marks and Spencer's Food Hall in the city centre. Then the destination you can either put back in where you go, and let's say Taxi First on this occasion, or you can enter in another location. So if I was going to say Tower Cabs. Right, so now we've got Taxi First to Marks and Spencer's, then to Tower Cabs. You press the tick button and that will come up with a estimated price. This price is without waiting time, so if you are in town waiting, remember to add that on. But that's it. You've now added the via onto your passenger booking. Thank you.